Hey guys, welcome back to JS Detailing, and today we have a badass 2017 Dodge Viper ACR. Definitely don't really see very many of these. This car was tracked. It had some PPF on it. It was older, probably from 2017. So today we're giving it a fresh start. As PPF is, it's a sacrificial barrier, so it did protect. There is a couple gouges in the film up here. Peeled it off. The paint's perfect underneath. Underneath the rockers was pretty beat up, but it just serves as a reminder that PPF is a sacrificial barrier and you do need to update it, especially if you track and abuse your car. They all come with amazing warranties now, but if it gets beat up, you're going to want to replace it so you can make sure that you're protecting your paint underneath.
So as Joel said at the beginning of this video, this Viper project's main objective was just to get that nasty old yellow film off. We got all of that off. We did replace everything obviously that he wanted. But another objective that we had was hiding the seams a little better than what was on there. So when this came in, we had some really nasty seams coming down the white, super noticeable. We didn't like that. And something nice about this ACR particularly is this nice big black stripe. Our program was nice enough to give us a cut for just the stripe and then the white outside of it. So there is 3 pieces on the hood, but you can't tell because we put our seams right here on the edge, which there's already a paint line, blends it in perfectly. So the hood was kind of our biggest concern of how we're gonna do this, but it worked out really well. We're super happy with it. And again, like I said, we replaced everything that was already on there. So the bumper, canards, headlights, these rockers. We were worried that maybe the ACR stickers were gonna come off as we were peeling old film, but they stayed on there. So we went right back over them because I know those probably aren't easy to find anymore. Said rockers, mirrors, this roof piece, and then the whole rear bumper. So once we were done with film, we just did a correction on the exposed paint that was left. So the doors, the quarters, this giant wing on the back, and then the deck lid. That came out great. And once we're done with that, obviously you guys know it's time to coat it. So Crystal Serum Ultra, and we did a wheels off deep clean also. This used to be, or at one point was a track car, so the wheels and the wheel wells were pretty beat up. We did a light polish on the barrels to help clean them up, and then coating them also. The wheels look 10 times better now. We really brought them back to life. The wheel wells are super clean. Those are all coated now. One of the things that we did a little custom on this one was these rockers. The old cut went all the way under, and like I said, this was track, so there was some abuse. The film that we pulled off was pretty beat up under there, but it had done its job and saved the paint. On our new cut, it didn't go quite as far as we wanted it to, so we pulled it up on the lift, and while Alex was doing wheels, we made a custom piece, just a little sliver down there, probably 2 inches, just down the hole. I guess you can call it the rocker or the exhaust cover, but it's under there. So it actually works out really well, because if they do decide to track this, or for whatever reason, if something gets nicked or caught down there, we only have to replace that small piece down there instead of this whole piece again, which saves us from, like I said earlier, possibly pulling that ACR sticker off. So that worked out really well. We're just really happy with how this one came out. Sick car, super happy to work on it, and we've loved doing all the content, and just it's sitting in the shop. I don't really want it to leave.